Moving ahead, the Allahabad High Court today rejected the plea filed by the Mosque Committee challenging the trial court's order that allowed a survey of the Sambhal Mosque premises. The survey had been ordered in a civil suit alleging that the mosque was built after demolishing a Hindu temple. A single bench of Justice Rohit Ranjan Agarwal upheld the order passed by civil judge on November 19th last year, which appointed an advocate commissioner to conduct the survey. The High Court also observed that the suit filed by Hindu plaintiffs is prima facie not barred. If you recall, the case originated from a civil suit filed by 8 Hindu plaintiffs, including Mahant Rajrishi Giri, who claimed that the Sambal Mosque, also referred to as Juma Mosque sometimes, was constructed in 1526 during the reign of Mughal ruler Babur, after partially demolishing an ancient Harihar temple which was dedicated to Kalki, the last avatar of Lord Vishnu. Last year, the trial court had ordered a survey of the mosque by an advocate commissioner. The mosque committee challenged the survey order before the High Court, arguing that the order was passed hastily and without any notice being served to them. They also pointed out that the survey was carried out on the same day the order was passed, leaving them no time to respond. Justice Agarwal, while dismissing the mosque committee's objections, has today noted that there was no apparent legal bar on the Hindu plaintiff's claim and upheld the need for survey to ascertain facts on the ground. The court refused to interfere with the lower court's decision. In November 2024, let me tell you, the top court had stayed further trial court proceedings after the mosque committee approached it. The apex court directed that the case should not progress further until the High Court heard the mosque committee's plea against the survey order. Well, that interim stay is no longer in effect following today's High Court ruling. During the High Court's hearing, let me tell you, the Archaeological Survey of India submitted that the Juma Mosque is a centrally protected monument under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act, and that the mosque is not described as a religious site in official records.